This project here, we were lucky enough to start working with at the beginning of the build phase. So we were involved in working with where concrete was going and paths were going. This project is quite a small section. There's a lot of house on it. So to create a garden in this space, it's definitely achievable, but the width we've got to work with is very narrow.
Are you ready?
So the challenge we had with this one was to be able to create a layered, clean visual that sort of works with the house within that limited space. So the guys are just starting today, and hopefully by the end of the week we should be finished it with all gardens and lawns done, so the clients can enjoy their new home.